So a couple weeks ago, we just finished up the blue 300 SL Gullwing restoration. Such a neat process. I've always had a soft spot for those cars, so much because of what they accomplished back in the day, what the W194s did, and then being morphed into the W198s, the 300 SL Gullwings, and just how dominant those cars were during the period, and how much of a race car you could buy on the street back in the 50s. I mean, a complete tubular frame, dry sump car, a real race car, a serious sports car for the time. The guy who we restored it for really wanted the one-off blue. Obviously, Mercedes built one of those cars in that color. This wasn't one of them, but we painted it into that color. It's gonna pop in his showroom, and a cool process getting to see that restoration all the way through. We started with a great car, and then we did a ground-up restoration, beautiful restoration. The car looks sharp with the Rudge wheels, with the red interior, the red luggage. Great looking car. So a couple weeks ago, we decided to load up the car, take it down to the Oakville Yacht Club, and do a full photo shoot there. I think the car, the color, everything just really fits with that aesthetic. Down on Lake Ontario, with the sailboats in the background, seagulls flying around. We're gonna have our guys out, film it, picture it, have a couple other young guys out who are keen to make some content for us, make some content for themselves. I've seen some of the pictures already, and they're super sharp, magazine quality pictures. I think it's gonna make a big splash. So we just finished up the full restoration on this Gullwing. We're gonna load it up in the trailer. We're gonna take it down to the yacht club. We're gonna do a full photo shoot. We need to go get the luggage. Where is it? Oh, there it is. They smell like they came out of an expensive store. Okay, this looks like she'll be a tight squeeze here. Smells good. So with any car, but especially one that you just restored, you want to take your time loading the car onto the trailer, have a guy guide you in there, park it how you want it for the weight of the trailer, and then tying the car down. And with these restored cars, we'll tie them down right around the tires, so there's no risk of paint being chipped. There's no need to strap anything to the frame, just right on the tires, and we're going to chalk every single tire, make sure this car doesn't go anywhere. Let's roll. So yeah, we just finished up the restoration for a gentleman down in the States who is going to put this thing in a museum. So he wanted a color that would stand out, and well, you guys have seen how blue that car is. That thing will certainly pop in his showroom. So we already set up everything. The guys at the yacht club, they knew we were coming. We had free rein, so we pulled the car up right in front of one of the big hoists to lift the boats in and out. We knew that was going to be a good spot. We knew it was going to be a quick shoot, a couple different angles, and then load the car up unscathed, strap it down again just the way we did before, drive it back up the road to Legendary, unload the car, finish the final cleanup for the customer, and send it home.
Yeah, this one's cool.
Yeah.
Position it around here, back it out.
All right, we'll unload her.
at the yacht club. Just look at that. Can you believe it? I can't believe it.
This car is certainly a head turner. We had a lot of people coming by wanting to check out the car. You know, more boat guys just wanting to know what the car was, what era it was from, but it certainly is an eye catcher.
What kind of car is that?
It's a 300 SL Gullwing, Mercedes.
How old and what year?
1955.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, neat car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, what kind?
Mercedes.
Mercedes? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Okay, it looked
yeah.
like sort of a, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know exactly how it was on
Yeah.
the
Car.
Yeah, cool car. So I think this shoot was really worth our while, spending a little bit of extra time loading the car up, driving it down the road, pulling it out, putting it in a cool scene that's gonna make for some great pictures. 1 for us, 2 for the customer that owns the car, and 3 just to go along with the car throughout its life. This car is going to live forever. I mean, it's at such a high level of restoration that this car is gonna be bought and sold. It's gonna go through different owners for the next couple hundred years. It's always great here to see a restoration come to completion, have the car completely done, pull it out, and then be able to show the world how beautiful this thing is and what these guys spent so much time every single day working on.